Hi everyone, this is Shirley and this is Jammin' with Yarn. This is another episode of Deliberate Cooking. And what are you looking at? This is real cooking right here. Okay, I'm really just to get down, throw down, mess up, throw out, throw up. No, some of that might apply, and then maybe none of it. Okay, so what are you looking at? I just gathered all my ingredients together, and I am making a lasagna. So I'm going to try this spinach lasagna here. Okay, this is my spinach here, and the ingredients that it calls for. I'm missing like maybe 3 ingredients. I went to the store twice and I still forgot one. I forgot the list, so I tried the second time. I tried to use my memory and I still forgot a couple of items, so I'm going to try to substitute those items and pray that it come out okay. I don't like to use that word in this terms, but keep my fingers crossed that it come out okay. So with this lasagna, it calls for the ricotta cheese. I've never used this before. It calls for this tahini. I've never used this before, but I opened it because I wanted to see what it tastes like. Salt, pepper, nutritional yeast. This is in place of my garlic, my onions. So it's a leek, which is, like I said before, it's not as potent as that. I am going to add some tofu, even though in this recipe they use the tofu as the ricotta cheese, but you know what, I'm going to just add them both and hope that it turned out okay. I have some lemon that needs a zest of lemon. It actually needs, this is substitute, it actually needs nutmeg, and I thought I had nutmeg, but no, I have pumpkin pie spice, so that might turn out a little bit weird, but I'm going to use it anyway because it do have nutmeg in it. It has cinnamon, ginger, and cloves. Might be a little overkill, but it do have nutmeg in it. So also, I'm going to take the whole tomatoes and make my tomato paste, tomato sauce, or whatever you call it, lasagna sauce. And once I get all this together, noodles boiled, items chopped up, this drained, I will be back and see you in a minute. My sauce is ready here. So what we're going to do, we're going to take this tofu here, excuse me. We're going to take the tofu, and this firm tofu, and crumble it up. And I'm just going to use this because it just makes it a lot more easier to do. My hands are already clean. I'm telling you, I had to wash up a lot of pots to boil the pasta, the noodles, rinse the cans out before you put them in the garbage, right? Kitchen was a complete mess, but I hope that this is going to be well worth it. So I'm crumbling this up, and the next thing we are to do is to put in some garlic. I'm going to put in hinge, but not as much as I did in the sauce because that was really strong, because I had to stir the sauce up while like every few minutes, like every 5-10 minutes. So I'm going to put a little bit in here because that was extremely strong, because it doesn't really taste like garlic, only in particular things that I'm finding out. And so we'll put our garlic, and then we'll put some tahini sauce right here. I don't know, I can't see because you're seeing everything. I'll put some of this in here, which looks like that. It doesn't give you the certain amount, so I'm just gonna go with the flow. Stir it up a little bit. That's my oven ready. The oven is set at ooh, that's really thick. Okay, I'll put that much in there. Okay, hope that is enough or not too much. And this is supposed to make it creamy, because actually the tofu is supposed to be the ricotta, but of course me and myself, I was thinking, oh, you got to buy ricotta, and forgot that this was supposed to be the ricotta. But I was supposed to buy Parmesan cheese is one thing I did forget. I don't think I mentioned it earlier. So you mix that up. Now I'm going to add some nutritional yeast. You guys seen me use this before. This is the large flakes. I really do like this. It has grown on me. Add the nutritional yeast. And salt and pepper. So here's some salt. And some pepper. And after the salt and pepper, we will add what else I forgot was the cream cheese. So in replacement of the cream cheese, you guys see how that almost look like eggs? In replacement of that, I'm going to use the ricotta cheese, since I bought 2 of them. I guess that's going to be our cream cheese. I guess, I don't know, you tell me. I guess you can put anything you want in a lasagna, right? As long as it holds together, I assume. I think I should take some of this water. No, there's not really any water on there. Okay, so this is what that looked like. It looked like cream cheese. Throw that in the sink and get put the cream. Put that in there. Ooh, I think I didn't need 2 of them. Okay, that's a lot. And what else we need in here? We need the zest of lemon, which I have some lemon, and then I also have a little bit of lime in there because I ran out. I don't have the nutmeg, but I do have the pumpkin, so you guys pray for me. Put a very little bit of that, and then put some basil in it. Okay, and that's some basil. And then we'll put our spinach. So I'm going to stir this up real quick. And I did blanch the spinach. You know, I think I actually can put some more cream cheese. This is not cream cheese, what do you call that? I think I can put more in there, especially since I have so much of it. My hand is always a mess. I noticed that on my videos. I know you guys be saying, wipe your hand, get it off, get it off. Okay, I got it off there. So stir this up real good. Look like it needs more. Now when I look at it, I don't even know if my pan is big enough for all this. Okay, you guys, we got our filling together. My sauce, and I'll give you guys a quick look at that sauce. Okay, what do you guys think? Yeah, I know I could have bought ragu, or one of the other sauces, but yeah, I'm trying to do this on my own. Maybe I'll appreciate it more too. So we put the sauce on the pan first. Try to let it cool down as much as I could, and put that on there. And then, oh shoot, do you do the I think you do this first. So here's my noodles. So I'm gonna put a layer of noodles. I think that's how it go. I just boiled the whole box. I didn't know. I'm pretty sure now as I'm looking at it, I don't think I'm going to need. I wonder if I should put something on the side, like some spray. What do you guys think? Or do I put the, oh shoot, how does this go? It just says layer. Let's see. So you put sauce on the bottom, add the ricotta, and then the noodles and layer. Okay, well, that's one batch. second. There we go. Oh boy, now it looks like I don't have enough of this. Maybe this is going to be like a 2-layer thing or something. Okay, there you go. You guys tell me, is this how you guys, anybody that makes lasagna, is this how you make yours? Is this how you layer it? Am I doing okay? And I'm going to keep doing that, and I'll come back. So the next thing, let's cut into it, and hopefully I'll get your position right. Hopefully, I don't know which knife to use. It doesn't slide apart. Okay, I'll get that little right there, because that was on the outside, a little hard. Creamy, creamy, creamy. You can see how creamy that is. And that little end is crispy, crispy, crispy. That's okay, because that's what I wanted. I was trying to save the oven. See if I can go all the way down. Up. Yeah, I didn't go all the way down. There you go. Okay. I think I need to sit just a little bit longer. Okay, here come mine. Sit a little bit longer. Okay. Need to firm up. So far I noticed in some of these videos my food has been a little sloppy and not firm, but they have been good. The barbecue, remember the barbecue ribs from the jackfruit? So I'm just going to take this here. I think once it's sit in the refrigerator overnight, it's going to be good. Let's see how this tastes. That's good. Need a little more salt and pepper. But, okay, you guys, now, that's good. More salt, more pepper. No problem. You need to firm up a little bit. It's great. Very filling. I can taste the lime. It's good. Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Another winner. Until next time, you guys, this is deliberate cooking. Try to eat as clean as you can. Give your belly a break. Once a month won't hurt.